In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your NetSpend card online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the requirements and the things that you should be aware of before using your NetSpend card, and of course, how to actually use it. So the only major requirement is that you activate the card after you get it. Regardless of where you acquired your NetSpend card, you will have to activate it. This process can be done online through their website when you visit netspend.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone, or you download the latest version of their mobile app. You will usually find the option to activate the card at the navigation bar. In there, you have to input the card number and the security code on the back. This will give you a warning that the card is now active and ready to be used for any online or in-store purchases that you make. With this out of the way, you should already have some balance in your card. Alternatively, if you need to top up with balance, there are plenty of ways to do this. You can use the Move Money option and issue a direct deposit. You can transfer from external financial institutions based on the US, or you can go to a reload center anywhere in the United States. As long as you choose any of the options that I mentioned, you will have the ability to load your account with balance and have enough balance to finish making a purchase. With the card activated, and by making sure that you have enough balance on the latest version of their mobile app, or by visiting the website and signing into your account, you will be able to use the card number, expiration date, and security code to make purchases on any website that accepts prepaid cards. Usually, any website that has the option to be paid using a debit or credit card, you will be able to input the details about the NetSpend card and finish your purchase. It is extremely simple, and the only requirement, like I said, is that you have enough balance and that you activate the card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your NetSpend card online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.